Welcome to another tricking tutorial. Today I'm gonna be covering one of my favorite vertical kicks to do, the jackknife. There are many ways to do the jackknife, but I'm gonna teach you how I think about it. My regular jackknife technique looks like this. In this one I'm really emphasizing on the big hook kick. I try to extend it from a chamber position. The other way that I also enjoy doing it a lot is the very pronounced cheat 720 triple kick style, or as I like to call it, Feilong Knife. This way the jackknife has a very wide frame to it and the kicks just look so big and nice. But at the same time the hook kick comes out less from a chamber position. Jackknife is essentially a combination of the 540 kick and the cheat 720 kick. I would highly recommend having a good 540 kick before starting to learn the jackknife. If you don't have it yet, check out my tutorial on it from the right corner of this video. Although you need a very good 540 kick to be able to do a very good jackknife. Technique-wise, the jackknife is not really a 540 kick plus a hook kick. I personally like to think about it more like a narrowbung / tornado step over hook, but all put together in just one jump. The jackknife is more like a double pumped cheat 720, where the double pump is replaced with a quick round kick, than it is a 540 kick with the hook in the end. Because the double pumped cheat 720 is ultimately the base trick, let's start with talking about that. Here I'm showcasing the difference between my regular and double pumped cheat 720. As you can see, there is quite a big difference between the two. When I do the non-pumped cheat 720, I just think about doing the cheat step and using my right arm to create the spin of 360 degrees in the air, and then I extend the hook kick in the end. It's very simple, right? On the other hand, on the double pumped version, I am actually thinking of a jackknife, but just instead of doing the round kick extension, I'm kicking the air with my knee. So basically a 540 kick with a knee kick and then a hook kick to finish the move. My hook kick leg is not as chambered as it could be, mainly because I'm too used to keeping it straight. Before extending the hook, it's slightly bent though. If you can keep it in a better chamber than I, do it. I like to do cheat 7 doubles a lot more than cheat 7s, and that's why my technique is like this. And the cheat 7 double is basically the base trick for the Feilong Knife style jackknife. After you feel like the double pump cheat 7s are easy for you to do, you can start thinking about adding a small round kick in between. I would say that it's better to have a bad round kick and a good hook kick than vice versa. It much better suits the technique of the jackknife and is something you can gradually improve on quite easily. Still, it's not a proper jackknife until the round is fully extended, but even with a half extension, it doesn't look bad. On your way to the proper jackknife, you just basically gotta try hard to snap the round out stronger by each rep. In the end, you will get there if you keep up with this. During the main kicks of the jackknife, meaning the round kick and the hook kick, my hips are basically turned to the opposite directions. This is exactly the same like they should be during regular round and hook kicks. To get optimal power for your jackknife, make sure to use your right arm and shoulders to lift you up higher during the takeoff. You should also use your right arm after you have kicked the round kick. The turn must be quite fast. Also, make sure to drill a ton of narrowbungs and cheat 720s, so you will have a nice and safe progression. But hey, this is basically everything I have to say about this kick. It's not definitely an easy one, but definitely a fun one after you have learned it. Good luck with training.